Welcome back to Carneades.org. Today we're going to be continuing with our series, Dumbfounding Definitions, Dizzying Distinctions, and Diabolical Doctrines, a series sorting through some of the jargon of philosophy. In this video, we're going to be quickly going over the distinction between denotation and connotation. This is going to be the philosophical distinction between these words, not the kind of colloquial or literary distinction here. So, in the philosophy of language, we make a distinction between the denotation of a word and the connotation of a word. This distinction differs from the colloquial distinction or the literary distinction between these two words you might run into. So if that's what you're looking for, this is not where we're going to be talking about that. The denotation is going to be, in philosophical terms, the extension of a word, or all of the things to which that word refers. For example, the denotation of the word mammal might be a list including whales, humans, and kangaroos, etc., while the denotation of even number would be a list of all even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on and so forth. Now, the connotation, on the other hand, is the necessary and sufficient conditions for something being classified as that word, or in other words, the meaning of that word. Therefore, the connotation of bachelor might be being an unmarried man, while the denotation would be a list of all bachelors. And the connotation of being a prime number might be being a whole number with exactly 2 factors, while the denotation would be just a list of all primes. It's interesting to note that the connotation determines the denotation. The meaning of the word determines which objects are going to be classified under it. It's also interesting to note that 2 words may have different connotation, but the same denotation. Take the words triangular and trilateral. The connotation of the first is polygons with 3 angles, while the connotation of the second is polygons with 3 sides. Though these connotations are clearly different, they have different meanings, the denotation of both is exactly the same, since a polygon has 3 sides if and only if it has 3 angles. Can you think of any other words with different connotations but the same denotations? Are there any words with different denotations but the same connotations? Write your answers to those questions in the comments below and watch this video and more here at Carneades.org. Stay skeptical, everybody.